Metro by T-Mobile Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to products mentioned in this video are included in the description below. Metro by T-Mobile is a prepaid mobile carrier offering affordable plans with strong coverage, thanks to T-Mobile's nationwide network. It's designed for budget-conscious users who want reliable service without the high costs of postpaid plans. Metro provides unlimited talk, text, and data options, with plans starting at competitive rates and no annual contracts. Customers can choose from multiple plans, including unlimited data options with hotspot allowances and 5G access at no extra charge. One of Metro's key advantages is its extensive 5G and LTE coverage, making it a solid choice for users in urban and suburban areas. However, data speeds may be deprioritized during network congestion, especially for lower-tier plans. Metro also includes perks like Amazon Prime with select plans, 100 gigabytes of Google One cloud storage, and Scam Shield protection to block spam calls. The carrier is ideal for individuals, families, and those who don't want to deal with credit checks or hidden fees. It also supports international calling and roaming in select countries, making it a flexible option for travelers. Customer support is available in-store and online, though wait times can be long during peak hours. Overall, Metro by T-Mobile offers a great balance of affordability, network reliability, and useful extras. While it's not as premium as T-Mobile's postpaid plans, it's a strong choice for those who want solid coverage without breaking the bank. If you've used Metro by T-Mobile, share your experience in the comments. Check the links in the description for more details.